Hello everyone, welcome to Europe Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi. So right now this important video for those students who are preparing for personal interview and GD for SJVN Limited, okay, which was formerly known as Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, right? So those who are preparing for this interview, this is very important to understand what is the important content on which they should focus to crack this interview. Okay, so you will search the website, you will search on Google different things, but if you get the entire things, all relevant things, useful information in a one document, obviously it will help you a lot. Okay, so Europe Education has made this document for you people, those who are planning to go for interview with SJVN. Okay, so this document link for this document will be available on the description of this video. You can check, and also it will be uploaded on the website of europedia.in. You can also find out there. Okay, so for all PSUs we provide a relevant document which help students in knowing the concept and important points on which they should focus. Okay, and they will definitely help them during the interview. Okay, so let us see what is the content of this document, which is going to be very helpful for all the students. First of all, if you are willing to join any public sector, so the recruiter will be interested in your personality, okay, but interested in your knowledge, okay, but interested in your motivation also, how much you are interested to join that PSU. And if you are planning to join some PSU, do you have some interest in knowing about that PSU? If you don't have any interest in knowing about that PSU, it means you are not motivated to join that PSU. The first question, first thing is, what do you know about that PSU? This is very important for recruiters. They expect that students must go through the website and they must read about important points about this PSU in which they are applying, they are going for interview. Okay, so in the starting we have collected some important point about SJVN Limited, right? So we can see SJVN Limited is a mini Ratna, category 1 and schedule A, CPSE under administrative control of Ministry of Power. ओके, सो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि कोई भी पीएसयू है वो किसके अंडर में आता है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के. ठीक है, ये हमें पहला पॉइंट पता होना चाहिए. सो ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के कंट्रोल में रहता है एसजेवीएन, मतलब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की आपकी एक तरीके से जॉब मानी जाएगी. और साथ में क्या है कि कुछ ऐसे पीएसयूज होते हैं जो ज्वाइंट वेंचर होते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे HRRL है राजस्थान वाला और HPCL दोनों के साथ मिलकर ज्वाइंट वेंचर है. तो वैसे ही दिस इज ए ज्वाइंट वेंचर ऑफ इंडियन गवर्नमेंट एज वेल एज हिमाचल प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट. ओके, सो ये पॉइंट हमें पहले नोट करना है. दूसरा, इसका जो रेवेन्यू है टोटल, ठीक है, वो कितना है उसके बारे में थोड़ा आइडिया यू मस्ट हैव. शेयर मार्केट में ये कंपनी कहाँ लिस्टेड है या नहीं है, इसका आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए. टर्नओवर के बारे में थोड़ा बेसिक आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए. एंड व्हाट इज द कैपेसिटी ऑफ दिस, ओके, इसकी कैपेसिटी क्या है, व्हाट इज दैट प्रोड्यूसिंग एक्चुअली. ठीक है, ये सारे पॉइंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, तो यहां पे हमने वो सारे पॉइंट्स इंक्लूड किए हैं. ठीक है, सो नाउ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया SJVN आल्सो हैज अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट्स इन नेपाल एंड भूटान. So one question may be there in interview कि भाई along with India in what other countries SJVN works, कौन कौन से कंट्री के लिए SJVN काम करता है इंडिया के बाहर. तो आपका आंसर यहां पे मिल जाएगा, नेपाल एंड भूटान. सो यू मस्ट हैव आइडिया. नाउ SJVN इज प्रेजेंटली इंप्लीमेंटिंग और ऑपरेटिंग पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स. उसका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करना. तो वो कहां पे कर रहा है, किन स्टेट में इसका काम चल रहा है? हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, बिहार, महाराष्ट्र, उत्तर प्रदेश, पंजाब, गुजरात, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, राजस्थान, आसाम, उड़ीसा, मिजोरम, मध्य प्रदेश इन इंडिया, बिसाइड्स नेबरिंग कंट्रीज ऑफ नेपाल एंड भूटान. सो इट इज वर्किंग इन सो मैनी स्टेट्स इन इंडिया आल्सो. सो ये भी हमें नॉलेज होना चाहिए. Now what are the main power projects of this company and where are they situated and what is the capacity? This is also important. You must be aware about the locations. Okay, so we can see power projects of SJVN. Okay, so Nathpa Jhakri hydropower station in Himachal Pradesh, capacity is 1500 megawatt. Rampur hydropower station, Parasam solar power station. Okay, this is in Uttar Pradesh. So it works outside Himachal Pradesh also. Okay, Charanka solar power project in Gujarat, Sadla wind power project in Gujarat. So it is working in wind power also, we can get idea. Okay, so we must read about the projects, what projects are going on. Now portfolio of the company is also important, so you must be aware about the portfolio of the company. Okay, what are the main projects, where are they situated, okay, what work is going on, what is the progress. So all these things you must read. So नाथपा जाकरी हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक स्टेशन, ओके, इसके बारे में पूरा डिटेल में यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, यू कैन रीड इट. ओके, देन रामपुर हाइड्रो पावर स्टेशन का डिटेल यू कैन रीड इट हियर. So all important projects are given here. Now second thing is PSUs are highly interested in your geographical knowledge also. In many PSUs they have asked questions based on geography because their project run in different states, so you must be aware about the geography of the different states, right? So just see the map of India and have the idea of different states. Okay, what are the neighbors of any state, and also this area, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Okay, so these all areas also important. You must have the knowledge of this map. Okay, and what are the countries in this area? Nepal, where is Nepal, where is Bhutan, which state is Nepal touching? Okay, so boundary sharing is also important in all PSUs as well as in SJVN. Okay, so kindly go through the map of India. Now again different power plant stations locations are given there. Now you know this our Jammu and Kashmir region, Himachal region, a lot of water resources are available in that region, a lot of rivers are flowing through that region, so you must be aware about the rivers flowing there. Okay, because SJVN is somewhere working in hydropower projects, so knowledge of different rivers is also important. Okay, Satluj river, from where it originates, where does it flow and where does it ends. Okay, so what is the path of Satluj and what other rivers are nearby to Satluj. Okay, any tributary. So Byas river, Chenab river, Jhelum river, Indus river, the path, okay, the flowing area of all these rivers you must have idea and just learn about this map. Okay, in the northern part, right? About Himachal Pradesh, what are the different districts in Himachal Pradesh, just have the idea. Okay, they can ask you some basic questions from that also. Now the Indus Waters Treaty. Okay, there is some treaty, Indus Waters Treaty. Okay, so this is with Pakistan. Okay, India, between Pakistan and India, and there are some issues going on related to that, so that is always in news. Okay, so kindly go through this Indus Water Treaty also. What is this treaty, when was it done? Okay, and what other country has not done? Okay, what points those were to be done by that country, but not that country is not doing those points. So all these key points you should go through. Okay, now transmission projects portfolio. Okay, so what are the different transmission projects, read about them, available here. And what are the different subsidiaries, joint venture, subsidiary, all these are important for any PSU. Okay, so you must have knowledge about that, right? And then so read about joint venture. We can see Cross Border Power Transmission Company Limited, CPTC. It is a joint venture of IEDCL, Power Grid, SJVN and NEA. So there may be 3 to 4 PSUs running a single company. Okay, so this is a joint venture. Now what about financial position? It is growing or falling. Okay, so you must read about that. Now it is a mini Ratna company. So what do you mean by mini Ratna? Navratna, Maharatna. how this status is given to PSUs, this is also important question. You must read about that also. Okay. Now what are the different targets of SJVN, and it is also working in the field of thermal power. So where is it working in the field of thermal power? What is the capacity? What companies are involved? Just read about that also. Okay. Now these two pictures you can see here, Shri NL Sharma, who is chairman and MD, and Shri RK Singh, who is the Honorable Cabinet Minister of Power and New Renewable Energy. So these two names are very, very important. In interview they can ask you about those people. Okay, so read about those people. Okay, profile of direct chairman and MD, you have to read about his journey, his profile, and as well as minister. This dam, Nathpak Jhakri dam, is important dam, so you have to read about this also. Okay. Now current news, this section is also important. So in current, what are the important points related to SJVN? Okay, that is also important. So you have to read all the current news related to this PSU which we have collected here. So just remember all these points. Okay, so you can see that a lot of content has been included in this booklet, and this is very, very important for your interview preparation. Okay, and along with this document, okay, you have to go through the mock interviews, snap interviews, so that you actually get idea about your performance in front of people, other people. Okay, so your PD Education provided mock interview program, GD program, GT program. Okay, you can join any module related to SJVN. Okay, and there you can go for your mock interviews, your snap interviews, your GD, and definitely you will get help from that. Okay, many students who have joined earlier, they got selected in different PSUs, and you can also get that. Okay, all the best.